Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? As you all know, now we are learning Maldivian government and leaders. So today under this topic we are going to learn how the people elected for different posts, the three branches of government, how does the government work and the function of the branches. So are you ready students? Students, as you all know, there are many key posts in the government. For example, President, Vice President, Cabinet and Member of Parliament, isn't it? So let's learn how the people are elected for different posts. President and Vice President appointed by public vote. The President is the head of the government. Cabinet is appointed by the President. The members of the Parliament are again appointed by public voting. The People's Majlis is the country's law-making body. Now let's learn how does the government work. Students, there are main three branches of the government. The three powers of the state of the Maldives are executive, legislature and judiciary. Under executive, president and vice president will come, and their function is to plan and carry out laws. Legislature. Under legislature, speaker and the parliament members will come. Their function is makes laws. Judiciary. Under judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court and the other courts will come. Their function is to apply laws. The functions of the branches. Sing this rhyme so that you can remember the functions easily. The branches of the government. Tune Three Blind Mice. Can you sing this? Three branches, three branches. Like this you have to continue singing this rhyme. Can you do it students? So now you have understood the functions of the three branches, right? Here is the words under the branch that they best represent. Under executive these words will come. President, Vice President, Ministers, State Ministers, Prosecutor General, because they plan and carry out laws. Under legislature, Parliament members, Speaker of Majlis will come because they make laws. Under judiciary, Supreme Court, High Court will come because they apply laws. The vocabulary part. In this slide you are going to learn some words and its definition. Legislature. The legislative branch is in charge of making laws. It is made up of the Congress and several government agencies. Judiciary. The judicial branch is in charge of deciding the meaning of laws, how to apply them to real situation and whether a law breaks the rules of the Constitution. Executive. The executive is the branch of government exercising authority in and holding responsibility for the governance of a state. Supreme Court. The highest judicial court in a country or state. Constitution. The system of fundamental principles according to which a nation, state, corporation or the like is governed. Law. A set of conduct rules established by an authority, custom or agreement. Now here is your task students. Task 1 or period 1. You are going to do this task. Do page number 189 from the textbook. Write the roles of some of the leaders of government posts. Here is your task 2 to page number 191 from the social textbook. Here you have to put the words under the branch that they best represent. You can find the answers from the PPT. Please go through it. After that, you can do another task, which is write the functions of 3 branches in your social exercise book. Good luck, students.